here at Keith's Foxrod Racing. This is two things happening here. This is pick up Gary's car day, and at the same time, the same day, musical cars here. Troy is dropping off his car. That's Troy and his trailer, and I showed up with an empty trailer, and my car is staged over here in the main garage, getting ready to come out. I'm gonna shove it in the trailer. Hope this audio is decent. A little windy here. I don't have my microphone dilly bopper, but that's what we're doing here. Troy's got to get a tiny bit of exhaust work done, and I'm gonna load mine up and take it to Salina tomorrow to the paint shop. So we get a little bit more video here in a little bit, and kind of piece together a fun little video with my car and Troy's car, and show some of the work Keith just did, and kind of make it short and sweet and cool and fun, and that's what we're gonna do.
Chewy's in it. Did it come that way?
Oh, probably. I don't know. Got both cars out, lined them up. Troy's winning. Look, winning by a headlight.
Don't get you a win, man.
I'll catch you. I'll run you down. Won't have that big block power no more. Keith's California Duster and the red turd.
Yeah, I'm sure somebody's cringing right now.
It's all right. It's going to the paint shop. It'll be fine.
Yeah, get buffed.
Yes.
Yeah.
Buff it out. Give it some color.
Yeah.
So Troy's car is staying. My car is going in the trailer. Troy's car is gonna get some stuff. Two street cars here. If you can believe that, look at that Pro Mod. It's cool. That's a killer piece. That's not a killer piece. All right, we're gonna load these up. Too close. So here's the back of the car. There's Keith. He's inspecting. Took the stock sheet metal out and threw in some carbon fiber. Did a freaking killer job. Carbon tubs. This was all kind of wonky with some, and I got a picture I'm gonna put in this of what it looked like before with the sheet metal, and this looks so good. It's cool. Got a good chunk of weight out of it. It was well worth the time and effort to do this. So I'm gonna slide the video, or not the video, the picture. I had to get a screenshot from the video that I had when I loaded it and brought it of what it looked like in here. So I wanted to get some video of this and show this because I'm not gonna see this for all. It's going to Salina, Kansas, to the paint shop, and I won't see it for a little while. So, and I'm gonna throw this video together and just show what this looks like. So that's it. That's what we're doing. Car's gonna look different when I get it back, for sure, and it's gonna look good. So that's the plan. A couple street cars getting some work done, and we'll be. Troy will make it to the track this year. I won't make it this year, but no biggie. So, all right, over and out.